Hello friends, I would like to introduce to you the AI Trading Terminal. This is a platform that I have built which is meant to assist your understanding and your experience working with TWS APIs. The idea is that instead of writing the lengthy and complicated API calls, all you will do is give instructions in natural language or in English, and then the AI orchestrator, which is running in the background, will parse your instruction, understand which API calls you want to make, will make those API calls to your TWS, which is running locally, and give you the desired output. I'll give you the demo in a bit and explain to you how to work on this platform. But at the outset, I want to clarify that this is not a collaboration with Interactive Brokers. This is an independent project built completely by me. I have tested it thoroughly and the initial results are quite encouraging. It would be great if you could take this platform on a spin and let me know if there are any corrections or if there are any additional features that need to be added on this platform. So just a quick demo. I'll explain to you how to log in and all that. So once you log in, this is the dashboard that you'll have to work with. This is the AI trading terminal. It's already connected to the local instance of TWS that's running on my machine. So for example, let's start by give me my account summary, enter, and it has given me my account summary. And again, this is my paper trading account. I don't have this kind of net worth, so don't get too excited. So it pulls all this information from TWS. It also gives me my granular account details, which is the amount under each of the currencies that is provided under my paper trading account. All right. Likewise, give me my PNL, right? If you want to know what is your PNL, execute or hit enter, whatever you want. And then it gives me my PNL across each currencies, all right, for my paper trading account. Likewise, give me current price of NVIDIA. I mean, you can give the ticker or you can just write the name. Let's try with the ticker first. So right now the markets are closed, so I don't know what it will give. So actually it has given me the price of NVIDIA as of the last close, so that's great. How about Intel? And yeah, it was able to pick up the ticker and it was also able to get me the price. Likewise, historical price. So give me historical price for Meta, right? But with historical price, we also have to give the duration for the past 6 months. And what duration do we want? Like hourly candle should be fine. Hourly candles. Okay. All right. So we have got the price chart for Meta and we have also got the table. All right. Likewise, there are a lot of things that you can do. We'll go one by one on all the features that you can use. I mean, there is a tutorial page which is quite self-explanatory, but we'll come to that in a bit. I think the biggest features of this AI trading terminal are the scanner features, which is available here. You can just write, give me the 10, like top 10 gaining stocks. Actually, let me show it to you. Give me the top gainers. So these are top stocks which have like top gaining stocks in the US market. It'll take some time, but we've got it. So these are the top 5 stocks. You can mention if you want more than 5, you can mention top 15 or top 20. And again, when I'm explaining the scanners in detail, I'll tell you all the things that you can do to make this thing even better. At this point, I just want to give you a hang of, how to use these things. So we have the scanner and backtesting is probably the biggest feature that I have as of now. And again, this requires a detailed video, which you will find in a bit. But backtesting is something which people usually struggle with. So what I've tried to do is that if you provide instructions using natural language about what kind of backtesting you want to do, I support pretty much all the major technical indicators. So any technical indicator based strategy that you have, you can write it, you can type it in what you want to do, and then you will get the backtesting. All right. You can also place orders, right? And even complicated orders like bracket orders, OCO orders, etc. And again, we'll get to them in a bit. I'll explain in detail how to do that. But if you just want to see a quick demo, um, by stocks of NVIDIA at market. So right now the markets are closed. So yeah, so it says that it's pre-submitted, obviously. So let me show you the TWS. And sure enough, you can see that, there is this order which is open. Let me now show you for limit price how it will work. So for that, which one do we want to buy? Let's go with Tesla. So first, let me see the current price of Tesla so that I put the limit price around that. So current price of Tesla, it's 411. All right. So buy 3 stocks of Tesla at a limit price of 410. Execute. All right. And once again, these are pre-submitted. So we see 3 stocks of Tesla and 2 stocks of NVIDIA. Now, if you want to check your open orders, so give me my open orders, and it tells you that these are all the open orders. You can cancel them here by clicking on these, or you can give a command like cancel all my open orders and it should work. You can even cancel one of these. You can just write cancel order 480 and it will just cancel the first the first open order. But let's see whether the cancel all my open orders work or not, right? So cancel 2 orders. So looks like both of them should have been canceled, and they are actually. All right, so this should be an interesting experience if you want to use natural language based instructions to perform API tasks. This should get you interested. So in the subsequent lecture videos, I'll give you more understanding about the platform and the various things that you can do. So I'll see you in the next lecture video. Thanks.